Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I forgot to do an intro this morning when we got out here, so I'm coming at you from the middle of the day. It's about 2 o'clock right now, and it has gotten very warm. It's like 40 degrees, which is quite the weather for the beginning of February in Wisconsin. Overall, it's been a really weird ice season, so we're trying to get some late season fishing in. We're out here doing some flags today, catching some pike. We even got a surprise fish on a flag for you guys, so stay tuned for this video. Oh yeah. Weight to it?
No. Good head shakes, but not that much weight. Slowly. He's not that big, but he's got a lot of head shakes.
Huh? Probably mid-20s.
Come on, get started, boy.
Good start.
Yep, we'll take it. If I could just get this out. Come on, get a good picture or something. Probably like this.
Yeah.
Chunky monkey, huh?
Not bad. There he goes. First one of the day.
Here we go.
Got something?
Not biting all that hard.
Hold some line.
It's a nice
It's a decent one. I'm gonna get the gaff.
I don't know, I haven't seen him yet.
We don't want to lose the one that we get one chance to get.
I haven't seen him yet, but he's fighting pretty good.
Not too big.
He was just fighting.
He was.
Oh, I got pliers.
Smaller leader or something?
Well, it's
that the
30
bush
pound. Yeah, he's in there. We'll let him sit for an hour. If nothing goes up, then legs back. Two actual fish.
The closest one. better. A lot of head shakes.
I'm gonna grab this. Doing circles. It's a walleye.
That's a big walleye.
That's a nice walleye.
Bottom this lake?
That's a big walleye.
Oh, you got your tape on your brother?
Yeah, I do.
Wow.
Throw them on the tape. Get it.
Hell yeah.
I was like, wait a minute. That doesn't look like a pike.
That's not a...
Try to hold them up.
So, should we unhook him first? Or?
Yeah, let's unhook him first.
I got my foot. I got big foot.
He's not hooked very good.
Here.
Middle of the day walleye.
Oh yeah. Not bad. It's a nice fish. It's unexpected. That's cool.
It's the first walleye I've seen come off a tip up.
Well, in the middle of the day, like.
Yeah, that too.
And it's
That's
noon.
Really weird. And it's in what, 3 feet of water here?
Yeah, 3 feet of water. It must be a weed bed down there he's munching from.
I'm like slipping.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
He was done. He's like, I'm out.
He's like, if this guy would just let go of me.
Yeah.
All right, that was what was it? 22.
Yeah.
22-inch walleye at 12:20 in the afternoon.
Yeah,
In like
well,
3
we'll take
feet of
it.
water. So we'll take it.
Oh yeah.
That makes the day a little better.
Is that one what's up? America over there?
I think so.
Yeah, it's up.
I think so.
I think it's up. I'll run.
It's really hard to tell. I can bring the sled.
Oh, I got two. Tiger. Go for that. I'll go for a minute.
Okay. Well, I can't go. It's way more slippery. 2 flags at once. It just went. Sorry, I didn't bring the stuff.
That's all right.
As you pulled out of the
Really
water, I
weird
saw it
head
spin a
shakes.
bunch.
Yeah.
Think it's another walleye?
I don't know.
Nope, pike.
Got him.
Ooh, Boston's got one too. That's funny.
Oh yeah.
It's funny when those little guys chomp those huge suckers. Like they can't even fit it in their mouth.
Big old.
Toad
Look at that
suckers.
guy.
Lively little guy. Not little guy.
Yeah.
Sun came out and flags started flying.
They're just ripping.
Well, a little bit of chaos there. We had 2 flags at the same time, so we were a little bit split up and unorganized. We had a small pike on this one. We're not sure what Austin ended up with, so we'll have to check in with him when we get back. But it's happening. Stay with us.
10 feet.
I like that. Right there. Not every day you get to go ice fishing. It's 4 degrees.
Nice. Yeah, perfect, honestly. Right there.
Outstanding.
7 feet. I like it.
And it is.
Oh, 100%.
Just get on her. Oh, yeah. 5'7". Wow.
He just took 5 years off the life of his transmission. Made it around the bend and dropped his tranny on the highway. I bet you when I'm an older guy, I bet you I'll have a topper.
I hate how trucks look so much better without a topper because I'd have to have a topper. I'd have to have them, functionality-wise.
Yeah, but I could definitely see myself making the switch when I become an old guy.
Aren't you already? You have a kid.
I just gotta get over it, yeah, basically.
You're-
Basically 100 years old. Maybe we should target some Mondo crop dogs tomorrow.
Yeah.
I just want to fish. I'd like to fish whatever we do. Maybe something we should maybe go to a lake where we can set up some flags and the jigging would be decent.
Yeah.
Or something. I don't know. I don't really know.
Finicky.
I heard something.
Oh, there! I
I
see it still
Didn't know where it was.
playing.
tip just moved. I swear to God, I just watched that tip move.
I believe you. I saw the line move. I feel literally nothing. The boys there.
That thing just makes a vicious noise when it pops off.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Clang!
Yeah,
I was wondering what that was, and then you're like, oh,
yeah, I was
cooler.
looking around like, I heard a flag.
Heard a thwang. I really wanted to see you fight a pike on that thing.
Yeah, me too.
20 minutes, huh? We can last.
5? We'll go till 5?
I could get behind that.
Small shiner, so.
I honestly think maybe a lot of today has to do with weather. You know, it's funny because we said weather was impacted our trip last time.
Yeah, we could use that as an excuse all the time, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I just think it's fishing.
Yep.
I would agree. Alright guys, we're just packing up the last tip up here. Overall, a pretty good day of fishing. We had a lot more action in the morning. But we did end up with quite a few pike and one nice walleye, so that was kind of fun. Beautiful weather, just not sure how long the ice is going to hold up. So, well, that part's kind of a downer. Really nice day to be outside, can't really complain. Just the ice isn't going to hold up with these temps, and it's only the beginning of February, so hopefully we get a chance to do some more fishing. So stay with us and we'll see you on the next one.